Alright, in this video, I'm just going to show you the basics of how to begin working on your site and designing each piece. You'll click again to go into the Design Now button to see your dashboard on the side and all of your menu options. But I also want to bring your attention to there's a tutorial that you can watch that shows you pretty much what I'm going to show you, so you could click on that. Those videos are also available over here on the side. Another important thing that you're going to want to learn how to do is to add an item to sell. There's the video right here, or you'll find that information right here where you can add an item. But let's go ahead and go to Design Now, or you can click on here, Edit Site. I'll just go over to the Edit Site button. Okay, these are the different elements that we're going to edit on the home page. We're going to start with that. It's the home page. The header is this part. The main banner is this part. And then you can choose different ways to show your home page. So first we want to do this. You can see that my logo got put in there when I uploaded it. I can choose different ways to do the header. I can choose different ways to do let's do navigation is fine. Basically you just play around with how this looks. Content. Oh, I know, I want to show you customize. Customize will give you a choice for your layout. So I could change it to this one so that my logo is over here and then the buttons are in the middle. That looks kind of nice. I'm going to choose sticky. Sticky means it stays in place. It doesn't move when you scroll. Here are my different colors. I chose the green as an accent, so I can choose to have this background darker green or a lighter green with the green. I could choose this one with the black. I'm just going to go ahead and do that one. Background, I think that looks good. Okay. Content, my logo, I can choose different ways to do something with my logo. I could do the logo size bigger. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. All right. Navigation, I just want that on, means you can see it. We definitely want to keep that on. A button means that we can have a Shop Now button up there. Icons, the cart icon and the search icon are both visible. Okay, so that's the header. Then we click Done. And we can go to the main banner. You can click the main banner here, or you can click it here. It opens our screen so we can change the design. I like to start with Customize and choose my layout. I think this looks nice. Actually, I like this one better. With a picture I can put here. I can upload and add an image from my computer. So where do I have my images? Click and drag a file or click to upload. I don't really know where I have an image. Let me just see if I have an image here somewhere. Who knows? Let me just pick something. All right, let's see what this is. All right, there's an image, okay? Maybe I'm selling sports gear, so I click Done, and there's an image of the sports gear. Okay, redefining, I can click here to send a little message like, we offer, or offering the best sports gear anywhere. All right. Shop Now button, I can keep on there if I want. I can add another button if I want. Learn more, etc. I can change the font. I can add extra things, so you can play around with that. All right, and then you click Done. All right. Featured items, if you have certain items for sale. These you need to prepare ahead of time. They need to go in your items area, so we can't really add to those yet. Down here, you can do your business location sign up for Google, the map pack, so that you can put all that information, your contact information, etc. All right, so you can go through featured items. Okay. It says, looks like you don't have any items in your store. Create an item to feature prominently on this page. So you can create one here. All right. All right. I'm not going to work through all of these. If you go over to preview, it gives you a look at what your website is going to look like. All right, close. You can also check what it's going to look like on a mobile phone. All right, and then you can close preview. This is where you publish. You can go to guides if you want to watch additional videos, which I recommend. That's all for now. Thanks.